Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you into Huck's World, and people, it's time for the giveaway. Finally, people, the giveaway is taking place for the 10,000 subscribers. Now, I want to thank you all for being patient. We did one giveaway already. We wanted to get that out the way. And we had a lot of the things that was going on. We had a lot of videos that we wanted to get out. And we finally got the time to go ahead and do this one for you all, helping me to get to 10,000 subscribers. We got some nice gifts here that I'm hoping you all are gonna like, but also know at the same time, we got another giveaway coming up. We don't know when we're gonna do that one. This one here is just because. Now, there's some products that I do reviews on that, just like with the case cover, the protector case, I'm not gonna use that, people. I got it to do a review. I hope you guys will like it. And I'm telling you, a lot of you all bought a lot of these products. And thank you all for helping the channel, because by you going down or going to Amazon.com, you really helped out the channel in hopes that I could do more product reviews. So again, I appreciate you all for that. Thank you. So finally, we're giving away some items. You don't have to pay for anything. The shipping is paid for. Everything is paid for. But listen, I got to put out a disclaimer first. Now, this is nowhere in part to any other manufacturer that these are from. They are not sponsoring this whatsoever. This giveaway is totally free with no hitches at all. Nor is it being sponsored by YouTube or Google in any way. All right, with that out the way, let's go ahead. Let's talk about this giveaway. Now, first of all, I got to talk to my international people really quick. Listen, I want to thank you all for all you do as well. I have not forgot about you. This giveaway will be for the US, all right? Now, what I need for you to do to think, right? Because this one here is going to run for 3 weeks. And after 3 weeks, understand, we're going to go ahead. We're going to announce the winners. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 winners, not one. I could have put them all together, but I want to spread the love, people. Now, if I'm wrong, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know. And we'll think about it, right? But other than that, I think it's right. We want to spread it out, spread the love a little bit more. But what I need for you to do is help me to find out a cheaper way to send overseas. I live in the US, and I know it can get real costly to send a gift that costs $5. You may spend $60 to $100 to send that item, which I think is pretty out there. It's way out there. But if there's a better way, if there's a cheaper way to do so, please let me know. Last time I did it with the international, I gave cash, and that's easier for me to do because it's easier for me to get across, whether we do it through PayPal or Chase, or if we do it through Walmart. Just let me know if you got a better way of doing it. I am definitely open-minded. We're going to shoot out a video right after we do this one. The one for the international will be coming up as well, right? So with that being said, listen, thank you all for being patient. Now, we got these gifts that we're going to give away. And also, you need to know that in order to participate, you gotta be 18 years of age, number one. Number two, you gotta be a subscriber. And I will find out, people, you gotta be a subscriber. I had somebody that tried to trick me into taking somebody else's gift, which is wrong. Why lie? You know, you could be a winner. Just continue to comment. That's all you simply have to do, and or be a part of the channel by subscribing. That's it. That's all. I was able to ask this guy a question that he couldn't answer, and he didn't get the gift. The person who the gift belonged to, they got the gift that they deserve. Just like for you, the same thing is going to happen for you. Cool? Let's just be honest, people. Show the love. All right? So with that being said, and that being out the way, there's only a few things that I want you to do. But before I get started with telling you about those things, I got an Instagram channel. Now, this is no way in part to the giveaway at all. This is definitely optional. But I thought I put a lot of videos on Instagram that you may have missed, right? You may not have caught up with all the videos that I have done. You might want to go and follow me on Instagram. That way, if you miss one and you're on Instagram, you can get notified and you can check this out and then come back to YouTube if you want to watch the whole video. But other than that, I just wanted to throw that out there. No way do you have to follow me at all. All right? So with that being said, people, one thing that I need for you to do, hit the like button. Hit the like button. Now, my dream is to get anywhere between 500 and 1,000 likes on one video, people. If you can help me with that, that's cool. I know it's a lot to ask for. I'm going to keep hope alive, right? Because I know that's a hard task to attain. For me, being a small YouTuber, I am not big whatsoever. You got a lot of other people who do tech reviews, watch face reviews that are a lot bigger than I am. I'm trying to get there, okay? Number two, what I need for you to do is let me know which video was your favorite video And I need for you to let me know what you want to see me do differently, or what videos you want me to do on this channel that I have not done. All right. Number 3, listen, simply subscribe. That's it. That's all. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead, people. Let's talk about the gifts. I know you want to see what we got. It's nothing real big, right? Again, like I said, I could have put them all together, but I thought I'd spread the love a little bit more because we got another giveaway coming up, and probably around Christmas we may have another one because I do have more product reviews that are coming up. So stay tuned for that. All right. So the first gift that we're going to talk about is this, right? Now this is a hip pouch where you could put your Galaxy Note. It's big enough to fit the Galaxy Note. So if you're on vacation or anything like that, or you're going hiking, this is definitely going to be a great gift to have on your hip to put your smartphones in, or your chargers, or your keys, or whatever you need to put in here right on your hip. Very convenient to have, right? And ladies, if you get this and you don't like it, re-gift it. It's okay to re-gift. Don't let nobody tell you that it's not. It's all right. Okay, so with that being said, that's gift number 1. Gift number 2 is by Blue Pot, right? This one is nice. Now, I'm going to open it up, let you see what it is. And I have never used this except for to demo this, right? That's it. That's all. This is definitely brand new. All right. Now, it's a Bluetooth speaker, right? And it sounds pretty good considering the size. And it's a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. You can charge up your devices with this as you listen to your Bluetooth speaker. I thought this was a pretty cool product to give away. So hopefully you like this one as well. I got the white version. So that's gift number 2. Gift number 3 is another power bank by Aki, right? This one here is another 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack. Now, what I like about this one compared to this one is that it's smaller. And it comes with a pouch, right? The pouch is very nice. It doesn't have a drawstring. Just kind of open it up, pull the product out, and you can charge this. Very small, very lightweight. Again, it's a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, and it's been holding the charge for quite some time. This one, every household should have, in my opinion, right? Again, a nice product to have if you win. Put that back in. And the last but not least, people, is going to be a headphone by Legato. It's called the Legato Art, right? Very, very nice product. I'm telling you, I listened to this. This one here beats really, really nice. And they got down on this one. Now, I got an LG, so definitely I was going to keep this. Got to give this away. This one here is for you. You're going to love this one. Whoever the winner is, you're going to love this product. This one here sounds nice. The highs, your lows, your bass, everything is on par. I thought it was a nice headpiece to have. And with that, that's going to be it for the gifts. Now, know that you don't have to pay for any shipping, so please do not offer. You don't owe me anything. If anything, I'll owe you all because I could not be here without you all. So remember now, we got another giveaway coming up. And remember, be honest. And remember, you got to comment in the comment section down below. And you also need to be a subscriber. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can be part of the giveaway. And that's it. That's all, people. I enjoyed talking from behind the camera. This is definitely one of the most awesomest experiences that I have when I'm able to come from behind the camera. And as you see, I've been trying to do more of that. So with that being said, people, that's it. That's all. That's all you need to do. And again, we're going to run this for 3 weeks. It's going to end on a Sunday. All right. And we're going to go ahead. We're going to get the random picker. We're going to pick the 4 winners. And then we're going to move on to the next giveaway. Good luck to everybody. And to everybody, thank you. And I'll see you all at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button. Help me get to at least 500, if not 1,000 likes. And I'll see you all at the next video. Please take care.